Have you ever struggled with limited kitchen space? In urban homes, RVs, and busy kitchens, traditional cookware can be a real challenge. But there's a solution that not only saves space but also maintains exceptional quality: the Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Cookware Set. This cookware set stands out for its innovative design. Our performance trials reveal that it offers a 30% smaller storage footprint than traditional pots and pans. This is achieved through interlocking handle geometry and a unique flat profile lid design. In our detailed audit, we evaluated the thermal retention and durability of various nesting cookware sets. The Calphalon Premier series emerged as the top choice for high-density storage environments. It's essential to find cookware that combines thermal mass and compactness without sacrificing quality. The best compact cookware must balance a thick base to prevent warping while keeping sidewalls thin for nesting. Our tests on the Ninja Foodi Never Stick revealed a heavy 4.5mm aluminum base that perfectly nests with minimal contact. Additionally, we analyzed the volumetric efficiency. Cookware with a slight inward taper allows vessels to stack while keeping surfaces protected. Traditional straight-sided cookware leaves dead space, something the new design avoids. Flat, tempered glass lids are a game changer. They stack efficiently and create a secure seal. The Calphalon lids are designed for high-density storage and ensure ease of use. Conducting performance tests, we focused on abrasion resistance and thermal uniformity. The Carotte detachable handle set showed no coating degradation, making it ideal for extreme space constraints. Our trials measured the Magma product set, designed for marine environments. Its triple-clad base ensured even heat distribution, critical for cooking quality. Lastly, stress analysis on the handles of Ninja Foodi cookware confirmed their strength under heavy loads without displacement. The ergonomic design keeps the handles cool, enhancing user safety and comfort. In conclusion, if you're seeking space-saving cookware options, the Calphalon Premier Series, Ninja Foodi, and Magma products are your best bets. They combine innovative designs with exceptional performance suited for modern culinary challenges. Ready to declutter your kitchen without compromising on quality? Check the links below to explore these top cookware options. Enjoy cooking with enhanced efficiency and style.